Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and our today's topic of infectious medicine is the brain abscess. In the first section of our lecture about brain abscess, we will talk about what is brain abscess and how it develops, what are the causes of forming brain abscess, and again, very important topic, epidemiology of brain abscess. So all that will be covered in the first section. Then in the second section, we will talk about the pathogenesis of brain abscess, histopathology of brain abscess, what are the clinical presentations of brain abscess, and what are the signs of increased intracranial or raised intracranial pressure as a result of the brain abscess. Then in the third section, we will discuss the diagnostic measures for the brain abscess, diagnosis of cerebritis and mature brain abscess. Then distinguishing brain abscess and other CNS lesions. So what are some distinguishing features that help us to distinguish whether it is brain abscess or some other central nervous system lesion? Then also we will talk about the biology of brain abscess, what are different microorganisms that are associated with the brain abscess, and also the differential diagnosis of the brain abscess. Then in the fourth section, we will talk about the treatment options available for the treatment of brain abscess, which can be optimal, empirical, and medical therapy, prophylactic, anticonvulsant, and intravenous dexamethasone therapy, and also what's the prognosis of the brain abscess. Then in the fifth section, we will talk about two conditions known as neurocysticercosis and toxoplasmosis, how these two conditions present, what are the treatment options available, how they present, and how we can diagnose these two conditions. So all that will be covered in today's lecture topic, brain abscess, an important topic. And to learn about this topic, keep watching sqadia.com.